Hello everyone, I am Shivantika, legal intern at LEXIS and Company for the month of June, and today in this video we'll understand a difference between an infringement and passing off, and we'll also look at the benefits that a registered trademark possess. Okay, so let's start with the differences first. So in case of an infringement, it is available only to the registered trademarks. Therefore, registration is an important element in case of an infringement of trademark. Whereas when we talk about passing off, it is also available to the non-registered trademarks. So in that position, the registration of the trademarks is not a necessary criteria or a necessary implementation in that matter. Coming to second point of difference, if the mark is identical or deceptively similar in case of an infringement, then no further proof is required in such a situation. Whereas when we talk about passing off, the use of the mark must also be likely to deceive or cause some kind of confusion. Let's talk about the third difference. So, as a basic right, the right of infringement or the remedy available for infringement is a statutory remedy, whereas in case of a passing off, the remedy available is under the common law and not the statutory law. Now, let's ask ourselves this question. If the trademark is not registered, then what in that condition can you file and or institute a suit for infringement? The answer is yes. The answer is if it is registered, then yes. If it is not registered, then no. Then you can initiate the suit for passing off. That is, one can only institute the suit of infringement if the trademark is registered. Whereas if the trademark is not registered, you can institute the suit for passing off and not of infringement. Now, in case of infringement, it makes when the trademark itself is registered, it makes prosecution under the criminal law easier. Whereas because of the reason that the trademark itself is not registered, in case of a passing off, the criminal law to entail criminal action against it, it is fairly very difficult. So when we talk about infringement, it only applies to goods, whereas in case of passing off, it applies to business, whether of trading or non-trading, profit making or non-profit making. Therefore, we can conclude through all of this that when the trademark is not registered, the aggrieved can only file a suit for passing off. Therefore, we now understand why is it so important to basically register a trademark. Now we look at some other important benefits that a registered trademark has. So, given the exclusive right to call for infringement proceeding is one of the major reason behind registering the trademark. But apart from that, it even increases the goodwill of the product, even helps in differentiating the products from the other products, and also helps in recognizing the quality of the product because you tend to relate with the product so easily. It grants so many exclusive rights to the owner and helps him protect his right for the next 10 years. So these are some basic benefits that a registered trademark has. So I guess you understand the point of difference between an infringement and a passing off, and the basic benefits that an registered trademark entails. Thank you. That's it for today's video. Thank you.